How to find out the very first application you downloaded in Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video we will learn how we can see very first application that you have downloaded in Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Play Store in your device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. If not, switch your account. So once you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon at the top right, head over to Manage Application and Devices. Once you're here, tap on Manage tab. Under your Manage tab, then you have to tap on this Installed filter right here. Select Not Installed option. Now, you have to tap on this filter again that says Name. Under this section, you will find an option as Recently Added. So select recently added option. Once you select recently added, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the end to find your first application that you have downloaded from the Play Store. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.